Oh boy! Share this video for me. Yes. Popular. Everywhere you go. Must say qualigo. Osaya kumekbek bu ne u ne do ayo. Must say qualigo. Tiga beli ayo. Osaya kumekbek bu ne u ne do ayo. Every nisu say ne. Tiga beli ayo. Osaya kumekbek bu ne u. Every day you ya you never do you really Thanks for the heart spin. Greetings to all the beautiful women in the house. Watawa Musu. So tired. No yami adogmano. Na kisanera wadogba so yomeyo. Edokpaya de runa papa. Yes, I know we're dead way. Yes, I may be a yore. Yes, I may have fun. Yes, I may water. Yes, I may was song. It will mean Nagare Nami, Oisa, Basay Yoreo. Share the video. Huh? Where you go? Obaname, 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 and when like Yama, Yama, we bada. Never be fun. What's up, guys? Somebody hurts me. All right. Hey, yeah, do your bar. Video won't play this YouTube. Bluetooth connected. Yeah. Et tout est bien mais bon. Oh, è venuto da me.
Che va tutto bene.
Abanami, I said no, Ruby. Obanami. Why is your email Balamba? Are you sure Obanami na ekpe? Obanami na with Russia. Oh, with Russia. Go. Obanami na say Ross B. This Obanami say Ross B. Oh, I mean, Rodia Mel, yes, Greetings to every one of you guys watching this broadcast who are most to talk for national peace story. As you all know, this is from Vito, the Umenwan, the Wow. All right. I came out for a specific reason. I'm going to mention their name and I'm going to talk some sense into their head. Number one, iye-eki Noraduru camp. Hello? 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 How you doing? Real life video. Yeah, real life TikTok. TikTok. No. May I make any courses? May I call anything? Okay, well, let's talk. Okay, well, then I will. Okay, no what? Yeah, darling, you know. I will darling, my kids talk, have you? What's your name? Okay. You be darling now. Okay, no problem. Alright. It's okay. Take care. Olokun no. Awana me game. Obi always go they send me invitations, so play game. I know they play game. I'm not playing game, man. Only play those Nigeria game. Alright. I came here to educate people, not to play game. So iye-eki. Now why I waste a passport in the UK? You understand? Now you have to give the UK. Why I ain't work one day frustrated. She's frustrated, she's depressed. You understand? But it's her frustration that she collect sense. You understand? When I share this video, go give iye-eki. When I power WhatsApp, that one will get big long breasts. You understand? That long breast without no shape. You understand? Where they beg, they go from street to street, from platform to platform. We say now they walk, say now where they do fabric work, now where they do the yash, or not get work, not for streets. And because they do the day, because they do wash the day yash. Or those by that work, now they do by that work. Now where they go to not police. Oh, I need buwa na police. According to her there. We put in Becky for house arrest. You understand? So I watched a little of our interview where she go to beg for she go to get platform. As she used here say they raised 4.2 million for German money. She quickly rushed go and get platform so that you know go raise money for her. Mind you, this money where they raise for her, una never ask her say you gonna remove you why you understand? And one boy for Nigeria they chop him money. One boy for Nigeria now they chop him money. And at the same time, in the city they built the second house for Nigeria. You understand? Now he built first house when the time they do Asaboro for Italy here. When they do run Spain, he built one house, 2 flats which he built. That 2 flat now 9 tenants day. The tenant in boyfriend now for Nigeria, he did the house. The account number, one of the see so when they become so now the boy account number. Now the boy, young guy, now your account number, now you put for this so. But if you ask him, go tell you say now in tenants. Go tell you the boy with the account number when you come out, now in tenant account number. But that's not a guy for Nigeria. As if they put money for that guy account. In your father house, according to in your father house now, they don't scatter, they rebuild them to our own standard. In brothers, they tell us say we could make it live, I mean they do a small now to just put a 2-bedroom one. No, he want to do a house there in your father house, and he stopped working on the work. He choose to come meet their country beg. That means they build house. Now, another if I ask, I say why in money when they do for around the past 4 million. Since how many months ago now? Now so 4 million the money be. The money can never pass 4 million. When they donate for her. We never ask her that question. Now, where really triggered me for this I say in daughter, you don't know say in daughter, me and daughter will get contact with the communicate. She don't know say me and her daughter they communicate. Oh God, I don't feel laugh. That woman, the way that woman they blow like as old as that woman. I don't bring any of their picture because you know the reason why they're not rich. Where I go bring their picture come on my platform. You get people where one thing bring their picture come on, but for you come on the rest of the other of them, they're not rich at all. Well, in myself, oh no, why go no man, you photo ya. I will not give them that advert, that popularity. I don't give them. In I want punishment in the already anything. Now maybe Umenwan, maybe the social media king. You understand? At the mention of my name, you get view. When I use my picture, they put now. When I put my picture on a platform, like when they give them food, not they make money for there. And no man, all of my page don't want to monetize. When somebody make money for the TikTok, you guys are just there making noise, killing your depression and frustration. You understand? So, iye-eki Larry. No, I go no another bola we e wo bi agbiwen shark obialome sikedian iye-eki we filo lare filo to wa be iwo wa gbon abogun na be mi ju awo e wo bi agbiwen agbiti no mind ni wa ya si ai After many years in abroad, you go here with black boy for the abroad. Bashawo will not go. When it's snow, yeah. At the end of the day, no go, come. Now your picking night dash you one blow you for granted. They call out blast on you. They call it talk to me. Your picking pregnant woman will get belly. It dash you one blow you for granted. They call out blast. You should be ashamed of yourself. We are the agreement one. Gallant old soldier like me. Of you where no ya me. Of ya me we be your own small picking. It blow you for face. Your face where. It bust your head with blow. If we move, we tell work by our. Upon the more lakba ni yomo. A two behind na rebo. We nyama ni yomo. We kulu ni yomo. We no yak basha na ya be too flat. Una basha na you hate basha una ya lady lede. Na you hate basha na ya the conho. Na you hate basha una ya a gile. At the end of the day, you are frustrated in abroad now. You're not a beggar on the street of social media. Where do I go? After many years in abroad, a madam mu worry. Una you big. Una ya balance madam. O bele go some money. Una ya balance madam. After a day we will not block. We will neck where. How can you imagine somebody, even your armpit, if you not bath for a day, this armpit could smell. This armpit, a day you not bath, smell your armpit. Put your hand like this. Put your hand on your mat. After they want you to put your hand for your armpit like this. You go feel say blast something like warm. You go blast sweat. They put on for nose and they smell. You go feel your armpit go still get odor. Don't talk of private part. Uhe. When I not say uhe they breathe. Uhe they breathe. Uhe they get sand. Uhe they talk. You don't know say uhe they talk. You get the way uhe could they suffer. Uhe could they breathe. Uhe they snore. You don't know say uhe they snore. When you get a person could take fast make big. If you too dirty, your uhe could they snore. Uhe no come us snore. Uhe come us snore. Because you come ekwe. Uhe come us snore. Because you don't come ekwe. Toto go dey cry for bath. We are so we babbage me. As you just see that you go know say as that one of the bath into Toto the snow. Same me Yahweh. We are request for water. Water resist. The end Toto go hot. The heat will go that the heat go too much to the extent. If you look here from my pants, the down the red. The red overheats. It be like exhaust. Exhaust when you don't fire. Use 8 hours to drive car, park car. Then you go touch the exhaust if you don't burn you. A boss already a part of the red. You hear brute carbon dioxide the balaja. A breast that is not composed, a breast that is not well arranged. A breast that is not well arranged. Urewebu, you not gonna Senegal. Very dark demon. A who might be like over chilly with skin. Who draw it tattoo, my whole draw it tattoo. My whole draw it tattoo. You know, my door sell a webu, a specific door rich. We may like me zero begin there. We are getting men in strong and we want to be palo. A homina mujena opuna na kia beer. But the real webu, a who are whip for you. But now the only the breeze of giant in enriched my life. It changed my color. It changed my skin. Me nothing na give ya booking on condemn iron. Well, you may be a medal over me now. You may know we are booking on do gumu Ezekiel or Ezekiel Lalodima or do gumu or a little nation. I give more gun or gun bear. I book him more good. I get high take and say na kodem iron. Hey, well, like I cut them for kodem iron. Oh, Boki or Gumen, I mean, no, God, this is a kodem iron. I put them for kodem iron for a wood kuai. Oh, Gun, no, where a Boki more good, a Boki number gun like here, or where I condemn iron. Anyway, had you been a Boki? But a Boki or you whip without Yiki. Made the way we do. I can't be like Benima because of the freshness of abroad, the breeze of abroad, the peace where they abroad. You don't understand? The peace and the sweetness, the enjoyment. What I say enjoyment not there abroad. Bro, check your, go watch your picture when you did Nigeria, know the difference between abroad and Nigeria. You will not see Nigeria you did. Nigeria na fire. Now you will see iye-eki kokomo. It still be like who did Sambisa Forest. A bandit fine passing kokomo. I see one bandit for TikTok just now. Very cute guy. S-man. Very cute guy. I said, man, see this guy. I said, this dude, man. You come out there abroad. S-man, fine person. Very dirty and local champion. Very kurie. An outsider arrangement. A state of Indian Balu. Only waiting in a railway book. A dead bene. Not be rough feeling. You might meet up. You might blow. When you're like Facebook, you might blow Facebook. You go backward. Your mate use Facebook build house. Your mate use Facebook buy car. Your mate use Facebook to certain things. Oh, we no yari egile. Una yari egile. A whole London, an English-speaking country, a UK, ne wa area na de okay. Or said buwe, uma de okay, sister. Uma ti de okay. You de UK, no fit de okay. How can you imagine? People they come from over here. They pray say, may they enter UK. They go get passports. Immediately they give the passport for Italy. Boom! They zoom on UK, Germany, UK, Germany, Canada, UK, Canada, UK, Canada. If they are coming back, if they hear their tune, Hinik, how you doing? Hinik, how you doing? Hinik. Or we hear UK. Or here, oh yeah, Abaname ni ye, Abaname ni ye. Or we can UK, or do I want to get on yan or bone wagon, or you ever get it? Oh, so when man we go get a yard, I was I would not go to yard gilly. No, you go to yard gilly. Oh, my tell you, I go weba, Mufian wagon done. Is yet done. You don't want nobody. I want mama, I guess I'm a guest today. You have to madame no ballet. Also, all your look when I look at no ballet. You will be acquainted. A pregnant woman. I bet you're aware or has arrested her. Or will be a woman over here going secretly in my. You make my over here my connection in my garage. Our bed or our layer. Now, listen, my people. Make I talk, Abi. 2022. We're down the hole on the list so because it talk for a no give platform. 2022. You know, my daughter. Somebody bring the matter for me with proof. What was she doing? She was doing this online okbo on our runs. She got a naked for men online. The daughter. So you want to know, baby, my way as one going. Since we Zoa, where Miami Gbe, I will remind you. Iye-eki komo. Total no damage up. When my way as one going, I want to let you know. You get my point now. When I sit down, when I listen to my people, because any lie with that woman they lie, I go they always they call the debunker. They let the woman that shame which you want where they hide for them. I go call the exposer, the porter. They pour them for our body. Make she for the hair. This woman, she they stay for UK. They don't know up and down. UK, Nigeria, in the UK and Italy. Where the daughter is doing online, whatever, it's what she do for online. When they brought the issue to my table, they gave me proof. They sent me all the pictures, all the sex videos they sent up for me of our daughter. And I watch. Wow. I said, wow. Okay. Live video presenter, daughter. Maybe this one or more. That's okay. And here when a person say, I like her naturally. You understand? Due to the way she do her own thing, she don't want wahala. I said, no, not for you. I don't think come and call the saga this girl like that. At least make her give respect to the mother. You understand? I have her number. Now I call her. That is our mouth. I not get a daughter number. I not get a daughter contact. Now I call the mother. I want to listen to when I iye-eki set. Since she want to know how me and her daughter started, they know. Abi, make una listen. Make una sit down. Because you want to go get you believe you don't have to that's not my business. Now carry the dirty now with beer now. We can never make it. When the boy who done, why we say yao? No, we me or ya derime. Or we say also yao for this video. Wanna share this video? Wanna share this to give bloggers? Maybe bloggers listen to how me and iye-eki daughter start to communicate. How I take get a number. When the woman say, you don't know your snap. Or you know, the platform where you go to interview, whether yesterday, I don't know what they're doing. Now, blogger for you to now see and listen. Now, my people, immediately, I called iye-eki when I saw the daughter's nude videos. You understand? With me, I have blog this idiot. Come for your grab my flacon, idiot. Come for your grad. There's a comment that will say you are blocking because you don't belong here. If you don't belong, you're not seeing the reason why you are watching me. So go to the platform where they insult me and comment there. Okay? It's simple. Now two things. Whenever they insult people for the one of the comment or the call, then they go there, they call. So if I do my own, don't need to distract me. Simple. You get my point now. That's so yours be. So I called the woman. I sent her the naked video of her daughter. Naked piece, everything. I forward her to iye-eki. She already know what the daughter they do. When they listen, immediately I send that to her. No, I did not call her. I sent the thing. I forward that to her WhatsApp. Immediately she saw the daughter pictures and the pictures of her daughter. She now called me. When she come here, we greeted her. It may even said the government, is there ta? Hear what it say? Is there ta? Ya go sa gwe gwan, o sa gwe ye, sa go no sin we la dia. Is there ta? O mariye, tell me la wowo. Why you wanna la wowo. She was begging. Make I not carry the matter comment. Me I not carry the video. The nakedness comments. You understand? They cannot sagara me, I not share her. She understand? She called the baby me, I not share her. Now I say, okay. Problem is, I don't buy biomo. With a gume gwegwan. You understand? You gume the avase. Ya go sa gwegwan. Ya go sa gwegwan. Memo ye call. He conferenced me and the daughter. But the listener, as he conferenced me and the daughter for the call back. Then I told the daughter. Then the daughter was so rude. For real, the girl was so fucking rude. So I can say, how could you, due to the kind of person where your man be for social media, why you do all this kind of thing? You see that online, this is what they do. They do it for when on any article. It didn't want to talk about get one app because they go to show their breast for the app. They go to give them money. You understand? So you see that the thing that they do. Nobody have my life for me. I have my life to live. Nobody will tell me how to live my life. I say, I know you have your life to live, fine. You just at least live your life well. Good name is better than riches. I call you advise the girl. She was there. We are on conference call. 3-way call. Now we did. In the presence of our mother. We talk. We end the call. The girl come on. Like the guy come on the call, or we end the call. I can't call the mother back. I call the mother, no see. Everywhere good peace day. I don't forget about the matter. I'll delete the video, delete those things from my phone. That was how I forgot about that issue. Why the girl have the girl number. Then the mother say, "La gumi ava say, with ye don't be anywhere. We are going. Ya go sa go. Na me I call the doctor so I go document. And after that I can't call so I go. I can't lie and say, "Okay, come on, babe, come." You see this the way they do so here. If you want to do this thing, what's going to leak? You understand? Besides that, you don't see your mother now social media live video presenters. As this thing leak now, you know people not listening. The person where I know, I for share this thing. You understand? You go bring shame and disgrace can give you. Now when you want to marry, now you go to know the disadvantage of these things where you put this up. So I can't advise this girl. Then the girl goes, okay, in the year, we can't talk fine. That is the end. I never talk about it again. I don't even get her number again. That is what I said. So I was using Italian line as my WhatsApp line. Not before German when I use this line, so I don't get again again. That was the first time, 2021, where I communicate with the girl. Okay. Until she came to my house here, 2023. It's not 2023 or 2022. She came to my house here. Then I was in one room secretary for Zagarello. She came with her granddaughter. Thank God when I watched the video. I took put on video, but we do the prank. When I watch the video, how we play, blah blah, this, that. The daughter even called her. We did place, blah blah, they talk, they go. I not get her daughter number. You understand? So that if you did that, she will call me. She did call me. She called me. My granddaughter there. Want to talk to you. The daughter will talk to me. The granddaughter will talk to me. I have never talked to the daughter once. And so we begin to leave the go like that. Until she become a beast. When she now become a beast, mind you, this woman and her daughter, they always get issue. Bats for us. You understand? They get issue. Big issue for us. Serious issue. Now, what happened? How did I start talking to the daughter? Again. One day I was on TikTok like this. You must send requests. I brought her up. The next thing, could they discuss? So as we talk, everybody they contribute. If this one talk, go pick up on this one. This one talk, they call it saga themselves. Now observe me. If people where I bring come up for my platform, they saga themselves, and they always keep quiet. I don't want pull mats. They don't say I join this one, they beat this one, or I join this one, they this one. Don't say I just stupid, I know what I'm doing. If now 2 persons they saga themselves for my platform, I'm going to open my legs to they get themselves down. You understand? So they were badging on you, like 2 men were badging on her on my live stream. I just come down. This one talk, give this one. Good morning, Bell. They not they talk about insult. And just smooth the other. They were talking about all those we don't take for abroad. You know, see, we they pick on people. The daughter was on the same platform watching. So the team provoked our daughter. After that video, that live stream dropped. In the next, in the morning of it, when the daughter don't come for us, bless the mother go away for go to say something. The daughter personally called me. I never even know the daughter get my number. I didn't even know she has my number. No, it's like she sent me message on TikTok. That's it. They say, please send me your number. You understand? I don't even know. I don't know. One fake account like that. I call my number. The next day I see the next morning, my daughter called me. When she called me, she me say, madam, say who this was saying on me. You get the know what she call herself. And she me say, I don't know. I said, who be so like because na me, my daughter, Saugui. Saugui, how you dey? Say they fine. How about dinner? Say I dey everywhere good. Everywhere good, bros. Bros, this is where I may write you for TikTok. So you send me your number. Now they listen. I say, oh wow, that's nice. He said the reason why I say you send me your number because of my mom. Because I see my mom for your platform yesterday. The way she did insult people, I don't like her. I don't want to insult her. She don't like her. She can't explain. Now I say, you know, so the normal thing for saga for social media. If you bring yourself come on social media, you will definitely receive a saga. You know, but sometimes what you will talk, not go sweet person. Like those people will still come out for you. I just they explain it to our daughter. Now I say, you know, say you don't say when they look for my number. Don't say when they look for my number because you want to talk to me. I say, what happened? You say because the reason why you want to talk to me. Now let me when my mother hear our word, and my mother take our my word. So now let me when my mother take a word. So any other person talk to the mother, the mother not take, including our my word. So now let me when my mother take a word. So any other person talk to the mother, the mother not take, including. You understand? Definitely she did watch this program. You understand? So now she's going to explain to me, say, if they talk to her mother, I'm not going to take, including our own uncles. That is, you know, they are more senior them. They even talk to the mother, the mother not take, but it's surprising, in mother they take my word. So I beg, make her help her the advice in mama. You understand me now? Make her help her the advice in mama, so okay, no problem. We'll come to, I can cut call. She will go. So we just go move on like that. She will not call. She not call me. If before she carry for call, before this guy carry for call, say something they solve. If something not they solve, She want to find person to talk to. You understand? Maybe mother to do one. She want to now she they call. So message when me will get message when me go for this phone. May take call back if phone. I don't have to call back. This call with my phone. Or message with the my phone. Now, what now happen? This girl go to the house with her husband. This woman, 3 o'clock, you don't tell like 4 o'clock in the morning. You don't have to talk. They talk. Why this girl will go work? The husband will go work in the morning. They need to rest their head before they will go work. In Monday and 30 talk. They do live video. Every time. This woman don't go bath, you go do live video. A lot of nonsense, a lot of things people say the woman they do for the house. Now abroad with day. You understand? And mind you, the daughter they not cleaner work. Now she do those hotel work they clean. So definitely those people this way they clean. They hate when their house is dirty. If they feel they clean outside, they feel they clean their house. So hope say as if they come out early morning, so they go work. At least the mama will see the house. He go say, hey, her daughter, do something for us. The thing was not causing a lot of problem between this woman and the mother. This is daughter so, and the mother they're going to get banned every time quarter because of this dirtiness. So one day, I did live video. Somebody called me. You know, they call my live stream. Go, how can I climb up? Now all of them they watch her here. She they climb up. Now this call we cannot climb my life. So that very faithful day, one man called me. So Umenwan, I said, bro, I talk about. He said, oh, what in the movie platform when you are you don't money. Where they have advice here? You know, by now as in I understand. Oh, when we live video, you don't see how you did stay the dress, the needs, they come for that video. You don't advise that woman, make it a dress, before you enter, make it a bath. You know, how I don't understand. I've been watching that guy because of where any woman. You understand? Who the other woman, but any know who I'm making sense. Oh, I look my web, oh, I look my way, or try live video. Oh, where they go, where or whatever, where. Is it does it mean that she's not going to work? Are you winner? In a manner, are you winner? Okay, with my 7 okay, my guy, try to advise that woman. Because I see that you are very close to her. That's why I want to tell you this thing. Because yeah, may offend her. Try as much as possible to talk to her so that when she's coming out for those brokers, she should be taking a bit. Now, okay, problem. Okay. Then the second person after that guy, after that man called, he might see you because I they feel how I want to go tell woman who is senior me, those mama like that say, iye-eki, where we are working the live video. You know, what kind of big word, and they look like insult to go tell her. When she come up to go tell her, now when he don't call me after some weeks when the guy tell me that word, I was surprised the guy didn't call me. Say, bros, I want to talk to you. I say, what's it doing? I bet not very say they call you. And I said, no, you are free. Go ahead, talk to me. Say, I bet they help me, they advise my mother. I beg. If my mother they come out for live brokers, make it a bath. Mama go your day from morning till in the evening, not the bath. Mama go the bath. Oh, I don't know where. Mama go where they play gamble. The woman they give me problem. The girl was like, she was crying. That very day, I did my wife's side. The phone was on speaker. You understand? It was early in the morning. My wife was like, what is going on? I called the girl, say, it's okay. I try to calm the girl down, calm her down, I try to pet her. The girl was angry. She was angry. That one passed. Then, I can call iye-eki. I call her, I greet her, oh yeah, no, just praise her. After praising her, I say, you get to tell you, don't let her offend you. Say, okay, go ahead, go. I say, I think go. Say, yes. I say, I beg. I say, there were 2 of my fans. I'm not talking to your daughter. One person, one man that called me. One after a week or 2 weeks plus before, your daughter calls it complaint. The same complaint with that man complaint give me. So me not going to mention that because about 2 of my fans or 3 of my fans, and they'll call me say, since we go do a platform, automatically we are close. Make I talk to you, I beg. See, if you come live video, people play it when they watch you. You understand? Make you the bath. We dress good, we look good. You understand? you still look good. We still dress you well. So, obviously, you gift you wear. People will just like your dress, your swag. They will gift you. Men will gift you. Wow, watch. Oko na we live now. If you gift yourself, gift yourself. Because of your dressing, the way you are talking, they look like they get joy. I can't have it because say okay, no problem. You know, verse kuto. Mama, you can tell me okay, no problem. You know here. You not bagging. Now I can't do. Here in daughter can't get bars. You know, I don't did it. I don't did their house. Until that very fateful day. That's why I like to see when the thing they happen. It always happen when I did my wife's side. That day I did my wife's side. So say my side here I did now. Maybe they will say I don't get proof, I don't get evidence. I did my wife's side early in the morning. We never wake up with sleep. Now her daughter call. Now he wake me from bed. If I be don't want to pick the call, my wife can't provoke. You know they put why you don't put the phone on silent? Early morning. You know if you realize you sleep, you can't shock, wake up, you will get headache. So I was angry. I can't say now you look at my daughter. And she say calm down, now I can't pick. As I pick, the girl called me, say he want carry mama, he want come out for saga for her mother. He want make a saga her mama. It does not say what did happen. See because he don't talk. You know she not the hear. Me don't talk to her. You know the hear. So if I saga her, disgrace her, she go pick sense. Because be like that one she go make her learn. Now say no. I don't know if it's a guy your mama. They can say no. See if I say you go hear what this is not the year that they advance for us now. Not the year. That's what must say one go key said. The guy send me all the things with the get talk. He send me proof. How you come pack medicine. Dose of medicine. Boss drugs food table. Carry camera face herself. Video herself say send the video to his brothers them. In family members say mention their name. Then they use Samuyi. Agbagbo woman but sa gwe give me your ukuna ya mine iga imwene iga wu sa gwe sa gwe wujo he can't pack the medicine for table he not drink am can't show the medicine video run as he do and finish back the video is sent out to the family member then they call that to the daughter call send the video to me say see what your mother do. You understand? So I look and say which kind of TV this one. Now, the mother still go, they play gambler. That Uba na so. Or fear gamble, a dangerous gambler, and so. Or fear. The woman they play gamble. So when the woman they play gamble, they get find it, mama, you know see mama, he can't go game house. When they play gamble. As he reach game house, mama tie cloth for chest, they play gamble for machine. For getting men pack food. The daughter was videoing her. As proof. See what they chop in my money. All man life for UK. If man don't make money a day for UK, they make £200 for UK. What do you use to do? Gamble. The one we remain, go use to buy a gile. Percy mama when they come to talk, they call the beg for TikTok so. A mother. I don't know the kind of depression. That depression they make you feel the press game. They make you feel they carry money, they put some machine, they play gamble. Depression not how you mean, if you go gambling house. You understand? As she sent me the video, as she say want to kill herself, I see all those videos, I also calm down. You understand? I can say relax. Forget, don't worry. No worry, no sagra. I go talk to your mother. Behold, I not talk to her. Because I want to let her know, see what your daughter tell me. You understand? I don't talk. I lock up. I locked up. Because I don't talk, she not take now what is the now a big woman. Person will say I come meet for abroad. Now make on the advice. But I see the advice, I don't take. Now I lock up. Now I face my own problem. Now so I tell lock up. Not until in Becky can bust the eye. Becky bust the eye. The doctor carry go hospital. I don't know what they happen. Now my house I did. I still surprised. Where I did my house here, Joe. Now surprised say. If daughter call me, The same in daughter, so I see carry for call me. If I don't, he call me, they cry. Wait there, why you cry? What is going on? Why you they cry? What's soon? You understand? They cry, they ask, okay, calm down. Go drink water. Relax. Talk to me. Stop crying. Talk to me. The girl explain. I say, you hit your mother. You hit your mother. This time around, I never even know where mother. For you to tell me, say, he hit him, man. I provoke follow the girl. Are you okay? When I talk about you, I say, you will see, you will pay for it. For you to hit your mother. I was angry with her. For real. She called me, they cry. So when I come to see they cry, when I to talk about me, why you understand? So I can't calm down. I can't pet her. Say, okay, calm down. I don't able to talk. Don't worry. This matter will settle now. You know what? This matter, I don't want me to come out for social media. I don't want this matter to hear her. Because now bad thing to hear and say you beat your mama. No matter what your mama go do, you don't get right to raise your hand on your mother. You hear me? So I don't want me to tell any other person again. When your mother say, my dear hospital, okay, go hold on. I'll call her. Immediately now call this old fool. We call you know so. Now I call this frustrated woman. Mama, oh yeah, you say how far? Why you where you did? He said, he did. I said, was soon. You don't just call me finish just now. He said, I'm after boy when you not tell you what you do. That's it. Tell me what happened. So you call the explain. So I was thinking that might not see like that. He said, when a video, now she on camera. Now I accept the request of video for WhatsApp. With the WhatsApp call, as I said, he showed me her face. Her face don't cover, they don't bandage everywhere. I said, Jesus, what's here? How come? What lead to this one? Oh boy, I was shocked. I called the beggar. Sorry. I called the beggar. He called swear. He said la you. He can never be my daughter. Oh more. I know she's angry, you know. I called the calm her down. Okay, don't do now. Calm down. No matter what. Oh bueno. I dey calm her down. I dey praise her. I dey pet her. I dey romance her with words so that she could see the smile, you know. I got the pet her and the pet her. I could say, okay, don't hear. And I say, I beg. I used God beg. Don't worry. I could settle this matter. We will settle this matter amicably. When we say, Baz goes no 2 years no go here. I beg. And the way I'm a bog bomber. I'm monak bomber. Unakagbe. I beg. Don't tell anybody. You understand? You might not get bad mind just now. Person when you go tell. You don't know the kind of mind where you get. Don't tell anybody. Now I pet this one for hospital. Make she not tell anybody. Make she rest. So it's okay, no problem. Now relax. Now say calm down. Because I tell her calm down. So that before I feel conference, the two of them, I feel make that settlement that time. Because that moment, I said I want conference, so you know 1 year because she did paro. You understand? So I talk to her hello, I pet her, I said calm her down. I still cause I go say, I don't talk to your mommy, but calm down. You understand? You go beg your mommy where? You beg her. See not beg it. See the call and see the beg her. No they beg your mommy. Mommy no the hear. No they do this. Say no be again. I said relax. Now no, this one devil work. Relax. I could help you talk to your mommy. No, I'll calm your mommy down. Just relax. When I saw every time I was sick calling, oh yeah, how your body? I was see the talk. Mind you, now so she see they talk to people. You understand? Person when you see they tell, that one go see tell person. You understand? The first person who talk say, na ye go na Peking na boss the eye. That person was Jessica William, waiting for Spain, where they do live video. Now if I talk for live video, say, na Peking na beat am. When we see that video, I shock. You understand? So, me, I see that video. This time, she still in the hospital. She never go to hospital. Jessica William, the first person who do that video, say, na her Peking na beat her. Bust her eyes. You understand? I see the video, I was like, wow. I can't call the daughter. And the say, Mama, the narrator, they go. What you say to here, not here. The mother, the narrator, they go. You understand? And somebody call her for this one. Somebody call her for this one. I say, okay, calm down. Anybody call you, just, the narrator not be you. Say, okay, now relax. I can't do conference call. That was how I did conference call. I did conference call with the mother, the daughter. I begged them. The mother George, full ground. Now, daughter, when you talk, what's happened? Daughter George. judge full ground, bam. Okay, now after stuff done, good or bad, plus or minus, you as a daughter, you are very, very wrong. You don't get how you take right. Your mother can never stand up today now to come and say sorry to you as a daughter. No, now you go still tell your mother, say, you want me to say sorry. Now say, this matter, I want me to put a counter. If you want me to reach us, I will be in a conference call with you, your mother, and with your family member. This matter you are with you. For raising your hand on your mother, you will keep good put. I call it tell her, Mama day lie. It's on a conference call with this, so the girl say no problem, no problem. Mama day lie. Mind you, this one, I tell you, the mother just carry the girl go court. Don't carry the girl go court. They don't remove the girl from the house. If not because say he might not get resident for the house. Now the girl for this street today. Why the man would the house? Because the mother was not having resident and the resident will not give him more for the house. Join what lead to this fight. This fight. If to say it be like say the guy no, they not give the woman resident. To say they give the woman resident, the woman will throw all of them, both the husband and children, throw them for street. The woman will take the house. Luckily for the boy not agree. The daughter agreed to go give marriage to them, but the husband not agree. Now lead to the bad goes. Now the first man will go give that girl belle, kokobiri man. The man say no want kokobiri. And pursue that man come on finish. Now this one give him belle now. We marry now a Benin boy, very young Benin boy. Now he marry now. This woman now say no like the young Benin boy. Say the young Benin boy not the rest. He go to look at the cousin. He said the boy go to look in wife, in his own daughter when the daughter the cousin. Now, I said, may I conference the boy. May the boy judge your own side. May you see judge your own side so that I will settle everybody and make it there will be peace in the house. Now, so may I put the conference call. The woman said, I don't agree, may the boy not enter the conference call. So when the woman said, the say, calm down. You dey judge this boy for back. This boy not day here now, you dey judge them for back. So at least make the boy enter. No, say no, okay, make he give you your own side of the story. Now the other say, as that put the boy. He don't come out for the call. Now the boy come out. Now put him back again. Now sir, when you relax now, when you calm down, bring your mind down. I can't pet this woman. This woman calls okay, no problem. You can't bring her mind down. As you bring her mind down, I can't conference the boy, which is the daughter, husband. I can't conference the innocent boy. Very quiet guy. Very quiet guy. I don't know what you look for iye-eki, but you don't let her iye-eki get rest of mind. We the narrative they go for each platform. Useless mother. Iye dan. Iye do yo na gbobi ewa. Dan won susu. If you looking. Now so this woman as bring the boy call the conference, I pet the woman, make the boy talk. The guy not get time to the talk many talk. You understand? You know say guy man not be able to feel the talk the way they talk so. The guy not feel they explain. So the guy enter the call. The guy say, "You don't get problem with mama." He said the boy go sit down, the kid go the sort. That boy say, he don't tire. Every day na quarrel. He and the kid go the quarrel. They go quarrel finish before 30 minutes. They don't settle themselves again. They don't they play. Before many days again, they don't they fight again. For those they don't they play. So in the scene they now say, na normal thing for them. Mom here why say boy they be before not say yes one akude. He said they cook. They said they buy McDonald's. They go to chop it, they don't cut for them. Owo bad on railway boo. Ona bovo ye ya de medunasi. Ona mula o waya ye e joge we o ta fena ye wuwa. A mafia ni yen. Mafia medunasi ni yen wo ba. Oh God. See, I just so can't see where this. When this woman they talk matter, I go the shame. Me myself I go the shame. Okay, mama, calm down. Now I said, Mama, you calm down. Babe, we relax. Bros, Alpha, you wrong. I give the boy you. The boy accepts. Last, I go say, now go apologize to Mama. I said, you're wrong. Now your wife, they insult her mother in your presence. You don't feel cut and short. That's when you get it wrong. If your wife, that's automatically that's let you know, say, if your mother still live with you now for house, your wife, they insult your own mother. You go see keep quiet and look why they insult your mother. You understand? The bros quiet. That's where you forget and wrong. As your wife, you get the right. Now two wives you marry. So you marry the daughter, you marry the mother. You are the husband of the two of them. So if they get issue, it's your duty to tell this one, say, Mama, you don't do. Oh yeah, as I look so get inside. or go down. Oh yeah, kneel down. You apologize to your mother. As a man, you keep it quiet. It's like you're not supporting your wife to be hitting the mother, to be insulting the mother, or to be beating the mother. Now, Iye-eki is not taking like as if it's not the reverse. Is not that. Though engineer making this more being like that way, or working in a rovi me, or working in a agri me, you don't have to argue me. That's questioning. Iye-eki was not asking the boy. That's a good. And when I brought him for, he's a young boy. That is where he's also getting it wrong. In a certain matter, you don't need. We had a wild down the hole, the philo over here. Ni my family, ni my make ni akiri le udo. Make no ke zuola jere philo. Ime egbe no kere egbe no mati egbe ne ri ogona no kere egbe ni mati gba oge omoni abie. No more na gbije. You understand? Okay, now after I did that, I quarreled with the boy. Ina gbe boy na gbe kwere. Ina me when I want to better ina. Then the boy was not like the Iye-eki was still angry with this boy. The anger in her was too, and me, I never knew that it was because of the residents where the boy don't refuse, may they give them. Now we ask, okay, Mama, I can't tell you, calm down. Is there any other thing what this boy do with the vex you? Anything we don't say they do you with the vex you, vomit her now, make her iron her, so I will start afresh. Now she say, you know what? He said he forgive Becky Yahoo. He said he forgive a boy like Yahoo. And the boy now home, he said he forgive Becky Yahoo. Mama, calm down. This is your daughter husband. What's you? Calm down. Wherever Mukbia, a boy that is not automatically your son. You understand? A never will give you a boy now and your daughter, they are your son. Calm down. You don't use such words for that. Wow, where ina when you are resident in me, or even now problem you know, or even now when you are resident in me, or even now when you are on me, ina okay. I don't want to come okay. Is it be again and again? You are resident in me. Don't go do resident for her. Okay now. The doctor also get tomorrow morning. You are appointment in there. You are resident in me. You are now okay. Ah, well, my are common. Can now resident in there. Near. Or we agree to give her residence. Then. After they went indoor, go sleep. You know, as husband and wife, they must discuss for night. So be like the woman don't discuss with the husband. Say, honey, tomorrow I beg you will follow me go Komu or go do rest of my mom. You understand? That the husband say that lie on the do. You understand? The husband declares that it's not giving your mother residence. You understand? Okay. That one alone, say because of that, see the guy make his daughter not give her residence because of that. And that one just make you go to the vex. I said, really serious. Now ask the boy, bro, you hear what he say yes. Is it true or false? The guy say yes, it's true. That cannot deny anything. That cannot deny anything with your play. You get the accept. I say, bros, yes, now me talk and I tell my woman say I don't give him marriage residence. Now say why you don't want to give marriage residence? Say, bro. You see, as they did, me, I be daddy. You understand? So, I just secure my stay for a year. And then when the situation where I can go put all those people don't take for abroad, go give a rest to finish. You understand? Lord, women don't know, you know, at the end of the day, they can go. I mean, me and she call the get problem. I don't want that because every time, now and my wife, they fight for a year. You understand? You see, some people when they talk, they get sense. They decide they don't talk, then they communicate inside hearts. They might not speak out. And then they communicate to the house. So the guy already calculates the attitude of Iye-eki living with them in the house. The guy is pissed off. The guy already okay for the woman living with them. She's not okay. So now, for sure, who give the woman resident again? Now that problem. That was why the guy make up his mind. Say, you know, the given resident. Don't finish you. As the guy talking, I say, okay, well, I don't blame the guy because now him they live with Philo. Now he know the character of Philo. I don't know Philo character. So as he say, he no go fit give Philo residence. Now I say, okay, no problem. And now I say, Philo, okay, since the guy say no fit give residence, that one not reach to quarrel put. That one not reach to keep enmities put. You understand? Now say, if possible, you look for elsewhere where you fit get residence. That's a Philo like that too. As we talk, that's okay. No problem. Alpha, bro, you will not go tell you now, say sorry. Now, if you will tell your woman sorry, Now, say if one join them, beg you, I beg. The rest for this matter, I beg. Put case for ground. Forget this issue. They make yourself do okay. Audit your Facebook, what you do, your TikTok, what you do. Understand? I say, you go stay, people go ask you question. I think for the now, even if you want to come out on TikTok, you come out on audio. When they carry your face, they come out. You come out on audio. Make your face go down first, so that if you feel they come out, they do video. You say, okay, here. If you don't answer, you say here. And immediately you drop your words finish for her, you cut that call. Come. The next thing, and that's what they want to do. Another thing, now she want to do. But if daughter they call me, uncle, and see what my mommy is doing. Another thing, now she want to do. But if daughter they call me, uncle, and see what my mommy is doing. Uncle, see what my mommy is doing. Every time. Oh, then my mom before I come on my side. Oh, then my mom before I come on my side. And see, you know with that. Now media don't have to. So she don't want me to call me when I do Facebook. So she only like to call me when I do early morning if I wake up. I'll say to pet her, talk to her. Many quarrel. Okay, now what's the problem? They can't give the 10 years. They carry my come out to go to that place. So she go back to her house. She stay for her house. That's why I know this issue. Not until you must start going to platform. Why that how now we never hear my own word. She gonna go for platform to platform. They beg money. Until she go this woman platform, Esther talk show platform. She go Esther talk show platform. She climb up. Even the daughter climb up follow her. Now let's see what her. But many of them go say that Frank carry this better come out. Now Frank carry this better come out. I go just look now, just laugh. They say make you go sell one of your house. Blah. The thing cost square. The daughter come now say, Mama no dey sell house. You understand? Bad goes happen for the platform. I know the day. No go sign me. I dey do my own thing they go. She continued to misbehave. Now she's not looking for my word because I don't use my platform to raise money for her. No, I may be the first person who use my platform. I use my platform to raise money for her. Let me the first person who use my platform here raise money for this woman. When she climbed, she said she did for money. I pin her account down. People still give her money for yeah. You understand? People give her money for through this platform. Even one woman where they go a platform that time. Now through this platform they go to give her money. Now the woman says they follow her. You understand? Okay. She started the sagami. Then the daughter still called. You know the funniest part. I know they can it their matter. No can come out and talk about live video without taking the permission. If the daughter will talk, okay. See, more they talk when they say no helper. See, that's what they put. You get switch up to video call. I see they put something for your leg, alarm for a leg. You get kilometers they will carry. You understand? Now has arrest they put up. Put the girl. I hear I did that. I said took a shock. You understand? See what you're recording with her. You know recording with her. You know you side of the story. Now take command for live video that day. I want to talk to her mother. When she come out now, they say, "Na me spoil pikin, na me collect pikin for your hand." I hear they look and they laugh. When I hear the whole story now, how I think know this woman, how me I get this woman pikin contact, right from 2022. We filo piano, I'm a piano, filo piano. Filo piano, I'm a piano, daddy oh, leave me for waste oh. Filo piano, I'm a piano, filo piano. Filo derieke oh, sister oh, give me €1. Filo piano, I'm a piano, Filo ye UK, filo ye UK. Or you go regular or you go for gambo. I'm a filo piano, sister. Oh, give me 10 euro. Filo piano, go the UK. Or UK, or my okay. Filo piano, I'm a piano. Or you go ya fie gambo, no, sister. Oh, give me 20 euro. Eh, we'll see frustration you agree filo. You see, in the kingdom of God, overtaking is allowed. We're not here about 90, we did not it. 30 something years, close to 30 years now in Europe. Now you are still begging the street of social media. Either is not giving you money. Sister, what's your problem? I'm a piano, filo piano, sister the UK, or say UK, or you go to Gillo, sister, give me 1 naira. Filo piano, I'm a piano, filo piano, or beg you, sister, give me 1 cent. You see? Backwardness. This is a symbol and symptom of backwardness. Bossier igbovo. Now, enoge we platform now. I forgot they started with the beg now because you don't see say enoge use the platform raise 4.2 million for German money. So you believe say if you go there, you do it with enoge, you come play, go give enoge love, enoge because use the platform raise money for you. You think people when they raise money for the social media, when they chook hand for their pocket, they give. You think they are stupid? They're not that stupid though. It is what their spirit lead them to do. Now that they do. Only few now they do good Samaritan. They give just say, I get. Real Nigerian, real those who give money, they give with reason. They just can give people money. You understand now? That's why you see. Before I use my platform to raise money for person, there must be a reason. You understand? There must be a reason. A very unique and concrete reason. Where we say, if people do a year now, something could touch them mind. Okay, take. Because of you take. No one you want to no one help this person. No one help this person. You get to learn, you dead giant. Bro. You get to learn, you dead yankee. E can I go and go say where you na. A euro or $1. They feel me so. E can I go and go say a euro or sifa. People are in Libya right now. Or dinner. They work, they make money, they build house on a job. They work, they take care of their family. You they giant abroad. Ewe Potoki. Ewe Babu Yomi. Italy for that matter. Who said to you, winner? It's not like you're of age. Or when you marry you, while you are the same age mates. She is still working. She have life contracts. Or she's a winner. Even when she still have husband, when they assist her, she still a work. When more job? Who am I fear way? Uye dua etu ya gutuma etu we ask tupa oh ya we na makpe etu we ask tupa oh my mama come to my head fuck my big when you claim to be a player but the fuck your wife you boast to be whoever we stop whoever we must let me you him stop must have you now we just stop whoever we oh what at your age who said it bagara of you when we be how we where it's an error dog you when I'm we back ya in your way oh because that you were for fair hello. Cleanliness is equals to holiness. When you dey clean, doors go to open. Your heart is empty. Your body is empty. You are expecting good things. Blessing of the Most High God enter into your heart. You know the reason why? Because our God dwells in a clean place. He does not dwell in a dirty soul. You don't go and work on yourself. You are the problem of yourself. Nobody be your problem. Nobody for this earth be your problem. You are the CEO of the general problem of yourself. You refuse to wake up from your slumber. You refuse to tell yourself the truth and say, I will still make it. It is not over yet until you hear the whistle from the Most High God. How can you? 50 years? You are the same age with my wife. My wife is still working. Or winner on a mowa. Or pay 540 euro the month. You go what? On a motor we're gonna fee. When you have more school. Ewe naragbo single woman. Umono wine no me support we kere. You're not paying house rent. Free house. Literally, then your media begging. Okay now. You've lost it upsets. Okay. You jump from one platform to beg. There's a lady I saw on aerospace here at Delhi. I know how much that came off my pocket. It's young boka. What is she do? She do wrong. Do you know the lady is doing sure? The lady have a husband. And I know the husband. It's a friend of mine. I see the woman there. She dressed to do sure. Or you are dropping money in the school or aerospace. Or you are sure. After I bite this people, I had to come out and sugar pockets. That's my take. That's what you go your boy. Oh, yeah, but what's no. For she to still come out for inside the rain, inside the wikara, at Yahozo, Yahushoro, or my Bashawu, or my Yahuros, or I moved to market Yahozo to support the husband. Whether good or bad, or have a best market, or it was specifically Moajoa. You got that for me, I'll give you a plan another thing. You are single or daughter. Don't be move with your dirtiness. I want my beauty camera. I can a woman that know what she want in life. Be on TikTok by 4 o'clock. Early morning, 4 o'clock. What is TikTok? You want a lot, to the extent you will not sleeping and snoring on TikTok. Sleeping and snoring on TikTok. I will win and where? Is it fabrica work? Is it a fabrica work? Then you will still solo. Who want to imagine we have feel no biggie. Who might can we who can remake who does so? Me I hear to a mumo. Who already you got it done? I me. If you see my piece, you go sit down. You go sit down beer. When we walk back with beer, we guy. When I buy you come on with my sister. You go listen na iye-eki nama amo. Idahosa ma we Asaboro. Iye-eki nama. Not be joke. You know, come on. Ask your best friend. Ask your best friend. The kind of person we are be. My best friend you will or any. She go tell you say fuck everywhere. Any day. You know me. You know me. Ask your best friend. Me how they see mothers. Mothers they suffer. Mama. Me man like Nyama Nya suffer. Or see where best friend where they hustle like to do nothing. Off you don't let it cool. Off you go cool. If I see like this, oh, you go hug me. In fact, last I thought I wish I must still find a small team. Mama, where I follow up. As a mother, we see the hustle for a brought here. Or dear way. She senior you where? Sister, tell my dear way. Sister, tell my dear way. Or dear way. But you also. Weekend or something, weekend. Any party for Roma here, you go see her there. All like children, double go hardy. What do I feel? Go or me commission away. I did a lot of things because me commission away. Man, yeah, mama. Particularly like that, we get particularly, we'll give our control, man. Afa, the police is so close to the house. What we go there? Go come. Any of no any he plan for it. Plan gonna be friend. See what he? Well, who are Zua? She get TikTok. She didn't watch me. She get TikTok. She get Facebook. Yeah, Zua. Oh yeah, Negbe. Oh, we are away. Wow, yes, you know, I don't need to tell you a story. You know her. You don't learn from your friends. You become a nuisance on TikTok. You're depressed. I'll be depressed on your body. Nonsense. You're going to let you know you're a boa. If you are invest, if you are a business. You can't do that. You can't do that. Message with Yakeki, it's a woobalo, why I can see the cellophane yak better side. Who walk back on the Agbe Okoba at the Webu 16 minutes after 5. Or ya for street 16 minutes after 5. Or ya for street the Webu. Nonsense. Even if because of your daughter, I keep quiet. Because of Sister Stella, you know, okay, lock up. Sister Stella, me because to make my Lahore. C'est vilo aïe, là-haut, c'est vilo aïe. On te met dans la, c'est vilo aïe, ok, moi, mais no problème. You know, relax. You come out, this was it. A Muslim. Are you mad? That when I was there, no, so you come up with you. That when I was there, no, so you come up with you. Why is one? When you were in UK, we went in Frankie. Yes, now we no give we are anya yeri good no kosule. Me we no we are. They too we they take on me book with me like with him. And then we don't imana thing ya just okay the way but the man come back when I went to be pin we. Man understand? They take on me like with him. Do we rima? I got charging you now. Sure. The next day we will control no we are. Oh we. Do pas les bouer à dire. I don't know you boy say. What bon way? Do me we a chat on. Do we a chat on do just ko baro mo mu ye gbe no chat on. Ave dete dire o na le re mo wana. If you see the property ye sai, ye sawole egbe ye poko. Egbe kebe oye munne. E munne. Why you na get bona mboji. Amu you dedi. Umay you no feel environment. Umay de you just like dead body. Black be like you no feel environment na ye atalido ya ban. Nyama. Who gage? Who give mvogwa? Father rejected, mother rejected, community abandon. No sense. Uzale na when umaye ri ele. Don't be now, am I be now? Nobody know. Oh where am was there where I go where am I? Mo we mu gi Monica gbe with social media. Wo ba. Uze zanzan sayo sare wo asan san wu npa ba onu wu. What disturb the social media space? Well I wouldn't lie where me only lie. You go not to be jano ya wono abe ya you bono abe. That not give you. They use your dirtiness, they disturb people. That when more you want to get to be neat now. To say to be neat. Could be better. Okay, this might still neat. Okay, I have your own neatness never yage. To the yesterday what life you do me why we are so. Your dirtiness on your food, or the we are the phone way, or the I'm getting the whole country. People in America will be smelling your dirtiness. I would see this woman. Who will be this one? Oh, we are nine. On our for young man, he will like Bob Yala. When you like you look, how am you? Oh, you live without go. Be I in your mind, be I walk you to Egagi. And when you go when I will, I packaging way. What feeling what big? It went like Banani Yobo. Et tu es bien amebo. Uhe nyama ni yom. Uhe nyama. We they have too flat. Also easy when we were cold. I was not the woo. I was not the woo was a mountain of fire. I was not the way. Easy boy die. Also if we are deal with a boy, he is deal with a. Till December 24. No one will show you where I pick a. Maybe you're asking your video show and a work. You not dig well. No video of apology to all the women in Europe. That was my plan. You don't argue your component. I ain't born. I can't tell what I can't hear component. I don't know who here could dig. You know who here could call it out with ya. Who here could no, I read Italian or Bonnie. Oh, Bonnie, everyone, Becky, don't be unhappy with you. I get what when me say, they might see who. I don't do. May we talk truth. When me say, maybe you go away. If we might you go for beef and reject this one, Jesus. It's a breast killer. And when we say cancer, you we say cancer. And we never say, I make Benny Po. We say we cancer the money. When me like when say when I'm going to be in a jet, you know, control yourself. Holy. Oh, Judge Jehovah Emmanuel, Lazarus, my father, my maker, my father. Every confusion breast, I reject it in Jesus' name. I cancel breast of confusion. This breast is a confusion breast. This breast is a setback breast. Every breast that want to set me backward, Father Lord, receive fire as I begin to pray with the voice of thunder. I cancel every way that must be any total with the snare coming to my life. We not cool as I begin to pray. Receive fire. We don't serve a dead God. We serve a mighty God. He's the same today. He's the same forever. When God stands for me, no total will be against me. When God lift me up, no breast can break me down. God is on my side. Power is on my side. Favor is on my side. Every condemned because receive fire. Oh God, Basi. And that's what I do. Because here we are not wana. We are not wana. Hey man, I use zebre. Hey man, I use zebre. Oh mazo. Oh man, I do. Oh mazo. Oh hey ya woo. It's my weapon. Now we bros. I hear you, sir. He down what do we? Aze. Aze making work bo. Dirty man who you know me agwa wana be. Me agwa wana kame. Oh God. Where am I? Know where they not bomb my way. They not bomb my way. You in the water. They not bomb my. Whoever you go here now. They not bomb my. When I fear gambo. When I fear gambo. When I fear tete. Me fear gambo. When fear gambo. Oh go me. Okpa fear. In Manchester United, Lombard City. Man City my boy like. You have to take it know them. Yeah. The gambo. When I fear. Me fear gambo. When I fear gambo. Mami go yari bawa. Magami go yari bawa. Wa go. Nonsense. Rubbish. And that when they would do, I don't say my fast will not vessel, I don't say me. I don't obey my fast away because when they do that video, I see people they come and say, as a you come away. At the outside, no, okay. I don't hear. Because I don't watch the video. Now when they play music, you know, okay, go make up a ball is there. Is anyone the better? It's too road preach. Now, you only yes to know. When you Mogi, no one lets you. You are the bodies and you are so mogio. Maybe listen like what being well. You move. You know, demo for now, bodies and you are Tony. No, I mean, dog. No, that's not. He's about 20 years. Oh, but after the music, after one, but what do you come on? We want blogger. You come with a view with a nogi. You know, wow, nice one. But now I'm walking at all. The next thing, Ruben in that way. You know, I can't wear because you can't because my Frankie, my boy cool, almost my cool. Fine. You know, give it one say, you know where? What are you going? You know, I quite down. Or where if you know, here. Oh, what am I going to matter? Oh, why don't I go mother fine boy? I be fine man. You go, where you know? Me, I don't have anything to do with you. You get my point now. Hello. We are going to oh, rubbish, aradoe, nonsense. They don't be a red back. Then you be it's a regular back. I'll bet on it from the way. What's no? They're not being a billion mona. Oh, my hungry yam, your ballet no ye robo. Where my Nenopia. Where my hungry young mono be a check baby. Where my home be a will do a balancing. Rubbish. That's absolute rubbish. I know the fun. I'll get you cooking way. I know the fun. Yeah, you bet. Yagi look bueno. Spaghetti boy, or say, Ben Amue. Yado boy, the bag we have here. Went to Zua. No, you go, you could have a gilly. I dig you can take you. Why can you kill America? When I can Italy like UK, when I make UK be at Italy, return back to sender. They are money and dare you can take. I don't want to cost you because you already cost already. You already cost already. But many years in the UK, no go, no come. Ordinary £100. Mommy, the UK had Italy. What a state of Indian balloon. What an outsider arrangement. A delicate squad association. That's an error. That is automatically an error. Oh, what back way? That they won't figure away. He want to bring yeah, chief one. Yeah, doa. Ebona doa budelia. Ebona doa munia because of breasts. Or where? Go, no go. Why have a passport here? I ebona passport no ogun agbe. Ogun agbe community passport no. Dia sun wo de wo. Ya saga community and nonsense. You have a passport in a lazy person. Let's see your passport winner. Rubbish. No go let people me be. I have a bit on it. I have a bit the prep woman. Where a cake back boy. Are you here? Well, we have a passport. How here where you have a passport? Can you go to school? Where I think be done? No sense. How many years in abroad? No go. We have valor gag. Why go valor? Oh, valor when it give you see. I have way. How can you there abroad on a bath? Dirty woman. Nonsense. And when like bani you rubbish. Now let me pin down one first. Pin down when you hold. What tell you there? Okobo. Why if I get fit? Why if I get marry? Any young yat you don't zoo again. Ibizu atiti no one money where I say atiti begin kukumu. Oh, I can marry. Now, my people want to listen. You understand me? I don't do where I did live video, so that's why I did live video for yesterday. Not be there for yesterday yet. I did live video like this, just where I did so. People send requests come. What would they talk about? We talk about Esther Dokpayi. Now we talk about why now you know. As we talk about Esther Dokpayi, people send requests. I bring them up. We are almost about 8 people waiting up here. The next thing, one person send request. I think I come up. I don't even know who the person be. It did my platform. People they talk. After this one talk, this one go talk. After this one talk, this one go talk. It get on the man platform which is Osakbe where they deport go Nigeria. As he reach us, okay, who be this person? May you talk, contribute. Now the guy say no contribute. He won't come. He just come talk to me. I say who be this? Say na him. He mentioned I say who be this one? I say what be? Because na him where they deport go Nigeria. I say yeah, okay. Where they deport children Osakbe Oh, now say that you be the one. I say yes. Where the man still they raise money for that's okay. So what is your problem? Why are you here? You understand? Then the guy say, me na person when they watch several when they Europe. When they Europe, in like me when they watch my video, know my video when they do, when you know they watch. So he surprised say when they deport her, make on the saga because they not give her money. Now say yes. That's what I did. You understand? Now say that is what I do. That's what I did. I did it, yes. So now say I did it with a reason. How they deport you, the day they deport you, the airport where you for transit and everything. I post and come back for social media. I will help them with me. I show everything. He can't mention the person will give me that, will send all those things for me. Because he send that to person send that to me during that period. You understand? Okay, he can't talk, he can't explain. This is what happened. We were all here, we listen to people even blame my daddy. I did give him a chance, make it talk. After I talk finish, I asked my question. I kind of question on the question of the interviewer. After I talk finish, I said, okay, fine. Now, because that's what about your wife? I just say your wife won't leave you. He said, no lie. See, as we talk now, it's just a week plus now. Now your wife born. I said, wow, your wife born? Say yes, no, that's nice. I said, well, it's all good. Congratulations. And I said, congratulations. So that's okay. You know what it goes up? For my own will, when I listen, the man not ask. The man not ask. Say me they give her 1 naira. The man not climb my platform, come back for money. You understand? He not come here, come back for money. He only come here, come explain himself. See, he like me, why me got the saga there because we not here for man. You understand? So after we don't explain to me, that's okay, no verse, sorry. You understand? That's okay. Now, because of your daughter, that's you give me your account number. Because of your daughter, the Becky where you born now, the newborn baby where you born now, I'll give you 100,000 naira. You understand? Me take buy pass for her. And the man say, thank you. I say, I call your account number, come on. You call the account number, I call right down here. I can't send voice record, go give my manager, say, put 200,000 for this account. But for Facebook, for TikTok, I tell them, I say, 100K, I want to give her. But for instance, I tell the person, say, put 200,000. Which in the next morning, when the person wake up, he see my voice record, he transfer 200,000 on the account. Basta. I don't know the one we come the attitude on for inside. You want to they cry, they put for inside. When they cry, they put the curse the children, they curse the family, they curse the wife. They bring out equal, they use equal, they cost. Oh yeah, when equal I have here, but no boboma. When might equal the mobile back to yourself. I don't understand, bro. Me and you, now be the CEO, the general overseer of single father for this social media since 2018. They come. I mean 2021 they come. Me and you now be the okagbe of a single father. Bro, me make pasi we ane brosi. Me we yari okone. Ogo leve abu yi mete bu ne me aye. Baba me yi la kolive yo. You understand? Ogo le ni me ne me aye we bo, bro. At least me make gbera we ne. You understand? Ni ma we agui. Baba, a life may not change. You understand? Bro, so okay, on a man don't say I don't even hear one way. Oh, yepa. And we don't see a life without a day today. It is because they go ma. You understand? Uka ke first Facebook. And Naja was na me way. No, you Naja was ya home. Ik bin na me ek bin na no way, ek bin ni me. You know ke Facebook, you know ke YouTube. Right? Una is one amigo. Throw me where amigo ni mo become away. Safa. Check account where you go loud. We have a live video on making on adverts. Uma any TV YouTube. I taught you. I create time and I have a video call. We have press here. Piana. Okay, more die. Oh yeah, pia botini. Oh yeah, pia mackerel. Pia. Area mawe mi as ozu looking. Uma yesku. There's no mama yesku. Obi have musa lo bona. No ma yesku. I can babirala. Semi, when you can. On a normal grammar, can be a little but you don't get where I hear. You will have boy. Yeah, boy, met you one yak book baby you are. A yak de ba where I billion. No, my way come you talk. O baby una. Who get it now? As I want my what a party to show that what's back home. I see the man insulted me one day. But because of you, every year that stick home. Ajebor. I mean, Ajebor. Ajebor has never insulted me on the social media one day. But because of Wenatiti, no Ajebor as a godfather. At the end of the day, no Ajebor. You don't know Ajebor can take boy. No, you are because somebody that was I'm training you up. As your godfather, I have to take care of you. And you have the boy Ajebor. You get my point now. Okay, oh, what did they America? Also, when they go where you buy, when we are moving, we are toast to pony. You understand? We want to say patient boy.